This is our adventure, this isn't our goodbye. It's only the beginning, and time is on our side. We can send a postcard, we can drive all night. We can count the stars until the sunrise fills the sky and hides the moon. It's just me and you.
We are coming to you from
Singapore!
We're really excited to have explored Singapore. It was beautiful and probably the most organized and clean and efficient city we have ever been to.
Yeah, it was just amazing. We were there for only a couple of days, and I wish that we could have stayed longer because there's a lot of things to do.
There was no one ever even did a single litter.
Yeah, no one's allowed to litter at all. And
yeah,
you can't
they didn't even litter at all. And do not chew gum at Singapore.
Yeah, they don't sell any gum. They don't have very much crime at all, right? Because what happens when you do something bad?
You go to jail, and do never, ever, ever bring gum to Singapore. Not even if you're just gonna throw it in the trash.
So in Singapore, we noticed just how efficient everything's run, from getting a taxi at different places. And the city is the most expensive city in the world. It is pricey, which is part of the reason we didn't stay longer. But there is a lot of beautiful, beautiful free things to do. So it kind of makes up for that cost. So for us, we were really lucky to be invited to stay at the Novotel Hotel on... It was on Stevens Road, close to Orchard City Center, and it was a beautiful hotel. Santi got to swim in the pool.
I got to go to the gym, and
the kids loved the big breakfast brunch in the morning. And they had a free shuttle that took you to like the center of Orchard City, so it made it really convenient to get around with the kids.
On the door and the night begins, 'cause we done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself from my home, tell me where you've been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, just said this. Oh, you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Oh, you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. Oh, you can't even slow it down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Oh, welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Oh, welcome to my house.
There you go.
Is another free attraction in Singapore that does not disappoint.
Oh man.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, there are super trees. So that's the more iconic things about Singapore is those big trees that light up at night. We went to the light show, which was free.
And awesome.
Yeah.
It was like the #1 thing on my list to do there, and it didn't disappoint at all.
Yeah, but aside from that, there's also a couple of gardens that you can go check out. There's one called the Cloud Forest, which is the one we went to. There's also the Flower Dome, which we didn't get a chance to go to, but we also went to the Splash Park, which is also free at the Children's Center there at the Gardens by the Bay.
Yeah, and they had like a little Ninja Warrior like playground course.
For me.
Yeah, did you like it?
Yeah.
How is that different from the Ninja Warrior course in Bali? Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was just holes.
How about the one in Singapore?
Holes.
No, the one
No.
in Singapore was
It
like,
was like an actual Ninja Warrior because it had stuff that's just more challenging. Because the one at Bali, it was just holes, which was just like a baby one for babies.
for babies. So yeah, that was wonderful. So at Gardens by the Bay, there's the gardens that are free. The children's splash pad and park are free. You could spend the whole day there pretty much for free. And then the domes, Rod mentioned the indoor ones. There is an admission fee, but it was really worth it. It was gorgeous.
Yeah, and it was very well conditioned, air conditioned,
Yeah.
because it was hot outside.
Rod loved
Very
it.
hot. I got sweaty and just, yeah, it was very comfortable.
And we gone to Lost World.
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
there was the Lost World inside the dome.
Yeah.
Did you like walking through the dome and seeing all the pretty gardens?
Yeah, and I like the Lost World.
Yeah.
Hey bud, where are we?
Gardens by the Bay.
Nice. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Crystal Mountain!
Yeah.
So one of the last things we did was one of my favorites, and it was the pirate ship that was beautiful, so much to do for the kids, and free, and right next to the beach. What did you think of the pirate ship?
Fun because it had some sand. I mean, because it had the beach, so in case we wanted to go to the beach. And they had this huge pirate ship, and it had water guns, and there was a huge bucket that pours down when it's full of water. And there was these little things that look like triangles, but it has a little hole to drop water, and then it also drops water too.
Yeah, and there was lots of
And
slides.
Actually, no, that it was just 2 slides.
Oh.
Yeah, so the pirate ship is in Palawan Beach on Sentosa Island, and aside from it being free, Sentosa Island has a ton of kids attractions. There's Universal Studios, there's Kidzania there. We didn't do any of those because we didn't have enough time, but
Yeah.
Palawan Beach, that pirate ship was
It
awesome.
was awesome. It was like the perfect free day for the kids, for us. I mean, we had a picnic there. They had a little playground there. I mean, it was beautiful. So we hope that if you make it to Singapore, you make time to
Yeah,
go
you
to
gotta
the
check it out.
pirate ship.
And it says that you have to clean off before you go.
That's right.
Before you go into the water.
He's our big rule follower. Anywhere we go, he reads the rules and makes sure we're all
But
informed.
But just clean yourself before you go into the ocean.
Oh my, when the light hits your smile, there's a fire that ignites.
Hey, bud, what are you doing?
Oh my, if we open our eyes, I think we're both gonna
Be careful
find
with
that
him.
it's a wonderful life. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. By my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. All of our friends, feet in the sand, beneath the stars. It never ends, and we got no explanations, 'cause there's no expectations, just beautiful faces and nowhere to go. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side. Oh my, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life with you by my side.
So thank you guys for watching this week's video. Remember, if you enjoyed it, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. That way we know that you guys are watching. If you have any feedback for us, let us know. Also, our podcast is still going on. We've got
Tuesday.
episode 3 coming on Tuesday, so go ahead and check it out on Castbox or really wherever you listen to your podcast.
Yes.
We are on our way to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So until then, happy jet setting!